Today I want to introduce yet another new application belt. This is the Ryker 900. It happens to be the same belt that is used on a Ski-Doo 850 and Ace 900. The difference being the compound. There are have been two different part numbers in the past by Can-Am, but it just depends on where that belt originated, designed from. But the dimensions are all the same, but they carry two part numbers. And we don't have to carry two part numbers for the same belt. But nonetheless, it is a higher grade compound for your Ryker 900 than the factory belt. And that means it has higher load carrying capacity, higher horsepower rating, etc. And it is a lower price than your OE belt would be. So we just want to introduce our Can-Am Ryker 900 belt to you. You got any questions? Todd at Hunterworks.com. Thanks.